Hello everyone. Welcome to Electro Industries Gauge Tech. In this video, we will be looking at the Nexus 1450 meter, its features and specifications. So, let's get started. Nexus 1450 meter is a powerful power quality meter that provides accurate electrical energy measurements. It offers advanced capabilities for power quality analysis and determining electrical power reliability. It is designed to be the ideal upgrade retrofit to the Nexus 1250 and 1252 series power meters. The system is a metering transducer with optional displays and I/O modules. The meter is ideal for existing switchboard panels since it can be installed without cutting panel doors. The separate display mounts into existing analog meter knockouts. At its core, the metering system utilizes multi-gain technology, which provides superior accuracy. This is a highly stable and advanced metrology that uses dual sensors on the current inputs, a high-gain sensor and a lower-gain sensor. Each sensor simultaneously measures the current signal coming from the external current transformers. If you look at the bottom view of the meter, you will notice that there are 4 high-gain sensors as well as 4 low-gain sensors. The meter's intelligent processing looks at the signal level and determines the optimal sensing circuit for the highest accuracy measurement. With this technique, the meter has 0.06% accuracy throughout an extended measurement range, which is a defining trait of Nexus series meters. The images here show the typical accuracy charts for Nexus 1450 meter. The meter's standard pickup range starts as low as 1 mA and high accuracy is attained at 25 mA. With multi-gain metrology, the same meter can be used on both 5 A secondary and 1 A secondary current transformers. The meter should maintain high accuracy measurement throughout its installed life. The Nexus 1450 is an advanced energy meter that supports primary metering load requirements. For any critical metering application, use the Nexus 1450 meter. In addition to highly accurate energy measurement, the meter has the following features: full 4-quadrant metering, max/min recording with timestamp, extensive logging, with 8 logs of programmable historical profiles. Built-in core log provides pre-configured, automatic logging of most metering parameters. Transformer and line loss compensation for both iron and copper and total substation losses. Coincidental readings, for example, PF for VARs at time of peak demand. Load aggregation/universal metering, aggregate or accumulate different loads using pulse inputs. Utility commodities such as gas and water can also be accumulated. Next, we move to the meter accuracy specification. The table here shows the measurements and accuracy for different parameters. Please note that the frequency accuracy shown here is for 50 or 60 Hz measurement. The Nexus 1450 meter also supports wideband accuracy for 20 to 500 Hz applications. Full accuracy specifications are given in the user manual available on the Nexus 1450 webpage on our official website. Then, we move to the next feature. That is, perpetual time of use for complex metering. You can set up multiple tariffs to meet any contractual obligation with the Nexus 1450 meter's perpetual time of use calendar. You program the calendar only one time unless your requirements change. Use your DOU calendar for any energy parameter, stored data from pulses, or RTU master readings. TOU features include up to 4 customizable seasons, flexible billing periods, rates, holidays, schedules, cumulative and continuous cumulative demand. The images here show the TOU rate configurator. With this, you can easily configure almost any TOU usage profile. Proceeding to another feature, which is precision crystal time reference. The Nexus 1450 meter's internal clock crystal is accurate to 20 ppm at 23 degrees Celsius. It can be used if other time sync methods are not enabled. The meter offers additional time sync methods such as DNP3 time sync, line frequency sync, iRig time sync, SNTP time sync. After this, the next feature we have is data logging and internal storage. The Nexus 1450 meter provides advanced capabilities for storing measured values over time, for trending and analysis. The meter has up to 4 GB of memory with up to 1.2 GB allocated exclusively to logging and user storage. All logs use a FIFO buffer and roll over when full. There are different types of logs available. Let's look at each one of them. The first one is trending logs. This further includes core log. In this, the meter uniquely uses an internal SQL database that automatically logs 172 metering parameters. This ensures that most parameters are already logged so that the meter provides data without a complex configuration process. Another one in trending logs is historical logs. The meter supports 8 configurable historical trending logs of 64 data channels per log. The second one is the System Event Security Log. This anti-dampering log records all events in the meter with an associated timestamp. The unit records, resets, meter programming changes, time changes, power up, down, change of V-switch key, TOU profile changes, password and security events, change of firmware. The third one is Power Quality Log. This log captures power quality events, such as surges, sags, and transients, and lets you view and analyze the data through power quality graphs, such as the IDIC, CBMA curve, and SEMI-F47 standards. The images here show these power quality logs as curves and waveforms. The last one is the limit log. The limit/alarm log can be set to record high and low conditions for up to 32 user programmable limits. The image here shows the log viewer, limits log. In addition, you can view the chart of memory for logging. It shows the log type, V1 maximum number of records, days, V2 maximum number of records, and days. The core log automatically records readings for 172 parameters at the logging interval. The default interval is 15 minutes. Days are based on approximately 100 records per day. Logs 1 to 8 are user assignable and allow 64 parameters per log. The number of waveform records depends on the sampling rate and the length of waveform recording. V1 offers up to 512 samples per cycle recording, and V2 offers up to 1024 samples per cycle recording. After this, the next features power quality monitoring and analysis. It saves your money by improving reliability. Nexus 1450 is certified to the highest international power quality standard, IEC 61000-4-30 Class EED.3. It analyzes power system health to reduce downtime, collects power factor per circuit to correct worst scenarios, monitors harmonics to assess the impact on equipment. The image here shows the harmonic spectrum analysis, measures flicker and generates weekly N50160 power quality reports. In the image shown here, you can clearly notice the page with the N50160 power quality reports. Records waveforms at 1024 samples per cycle. Another great feature is the V-switch key technology. The Nexus 1450 meter has EIG's V-switch key technology that lets you upgrade meter functionality even after installation. This means you can purchase what you need now and then upgrade whenever you need the additional features. The available V-switch keys are shown here in the table. Here, you can see the different Nexus 1450 features, such as basic measurements, power quality measurements, storage, and communication, indicating the available V-switch keys. In the memory for logging, the unit has 4000 MB flash memory for longer reliable life. Some of the memory is allocated to wear leveling and system use. Next is the advanced HTML5 based web server that provides waveform analysis over the internet. Provides energy dashboard with real-time voltage and current readings, detailed charts of energy usage over time, quadrant energy charts, and trending. Displays waveform event records and allows zoom and pan and overlay of voltage and current waveforms. Displays symmetrical components, phasor diagrams, flicker readings, status of high-speed digital inputs, and detailed information for accumulators and aggregators. Supplies meter and diagnostic information for meter health and status and enables firmware upgrade. Supports IEC 61850 file management. The next feature is resilient cybersecurity that prevents attacks on your power system data. This is a highly secure, 32 complex character passwords with 128-bit AES encryption. Password fail timeouts virtually eliminate brute force hacking. An admin and 10 customizable users. 4 roles with customized user permissions. 256-bit digital firmware signature to ensure firmware integrity when updating the meter's firmware. Sealing switch and physical seals prevent remote hacking or tampering. The next defining feature of Nexus 1450 meter is the advanced communication and I/O. The metering system is equipped with 6 standard, simultaneous communication ports that enables up to 32 simultaneous protocol connections. It has 4 independent serial ports, 3 RS485 and 1 RS485/RS232 selectable. 2 independent Ethernet ports, RJ45 and fiber optic, with separate IP addresses, advanced port control, encrypted email on alarm, web server, and DHCP. Communication protocols include Modbus RDU, Modbus ASCII, Modbus TCP/IP, DNP3 Level 2, IEC 61850, IEC 61850 Goose, SMTP, SNTP. RS485 port supports RDU master. Then, there are 8 built-in digital status inputs and 2 standard pulse outputs. Also, multiple external I/O modules are available, such as digital and analog outputs, digital inputs, digital relay outputs, digital solid-state pulse outputs, and up to 256 total points of I/O are available. Next feature is the IEC 61850 protocol server, which supports substation automation. This is the IEC 61850 Edition 2. Either Ethernet port can be configured as an IEC 61850 protocol server. Up to 6 simultaneous MMS clients, buffered and unbuffered reports. Goose messaging, multiple pre-programmed logical nodes for power and energy values, power quality, and high-speed digital inputs. Web server supports downloading and uploading of CID files. Now, we move to another important feature of Nexus 1450 meter, which is IEC 61850 Goose messaging and distributed fault recording. It provides Goose cross trigger support. The metering system has a unique distributed disturbance recording analysis which improves substation reliability. It includes up to 16 user-programmed conditions to trigger system-wide waveform capture. It enables analysis of power quality events across the power system. The diagram here shows how EIG's distributed fault recording works. The next feature is direct retrofit with advanced remote displays. This enables you to replace older meters without panel modification or recertification. The transducer remote display direct retrofit to older Nexus 1252 meters make installation cost-effective. Remote displays retrofit to NC kitouts, so the power quality meter can be mounted behind the panel. P70N Color Touchscreen LCD display offers multiple pre-configured screens. P40N Plus LED display can act as a master too, P41N plus ampere and P43N plus power displays, providing 3-panel displays on one connection powered by the meter. This is ideal for substation and power plant applications. So, these are the features of Nexus 1450 metering system discussed in brief. In the next video, we will discuss the installation procedure of the meter. Until then, keep learning, and thanks for watching this video.